I'm going to show you how to create a really cool bar chart using level of detail calculations in Tableau. I have a visual right now that's showing sales over time by region, and I have a subcategory filter. We can take a simple bar chart like this though, and we can add some cool context to it. I'm going to create a calculated field, and I'll call this my fixed sales. And in this calculated field, I'll start out with fixed. I'll specify my levels. So I'm going to select region. I'm just going to drag in that date chunk of order date, and then I'll put a colon. Following that colon, I'll drag in sum of sales and do a closing curly bracket. Next, I'm going to take fixed sales out to rows next to my sum of sales, and I'm going to right click the y axis and do a dual axis. And I will synchronize the axis and then move marks to the back. Okay, so on my color right now, I'm going to remove measure names. I'll choose a light color for this bar. And then on my sum of sales, I'll do the same thing, keep it the standard Tableau blue, but I might shrink the size a little bit. And down here, I might increase the size a little bit. So what this does is now as I filter down through my subcategories, the overall sales will stay the same, but my filter on subcategory will change the darker blue line in the middle. And what that does is kind of give my end user context to see what part of the whole, machines, for example, plays. We could do a little extra. We might throw on labels. And overall, I think this is a really cool chart because it lets end users not only explore sales by subcategory, but they get the broader picture of what that subcategory makes up of the total.